There's a clock running inside every Capricorn that almost no one else can hear. It's not the fear of failure. You've survived failure before, more times than you'd like to count. And it's not the fear of being alone either. Solitude doesn't scare you. You made peace with silence a long time ago. What actually keeps a Capricorn awake at night is this: running out of time before life is secured, reaching old age without a home you truly built, without children who come home to you, without the kind of security that finally lets you exhale. And here's what makes it worse. You never say this out loud. You build in silence while the clock keeps moving, and nobody around you ever sees the urgency you're carrying. This video is about that fear, where it comes from, why Saturn makes it heavier for Capricorns specifically, and what to do when you feel like you're starting over with time already running out. If you ask a Capricorn what they're afraid of, you'll get a list of acceptable answers: failure, being taken advantage of, wasting their potential. What you won't hear, because it feels too exposed to say out loud, is the real fear underneath all of it: time running out before life is secured. It's the quiet calculation that happens in the background of a Capricorn's mind. Am I behind? Will I have built enough by the time I'm old? Will there be a home waiting for me? Not just a house, but a foundation? Will there be children, family, someone to come back to? This isn't vanity. It's not about achievement for the sake of looking successful. It's about security, about not wanting to face old age with empty hands and an empty house. And the cruel part is, this fear rarely arrives early. For many Capricorns, it shows up later than expected. Not in your 20s, when everyone forgives you for still figuring it out. It arrives in your 30s, sometimes even later, when the timeline you quietly expected for yourself starts to feel impossible to catch up to. That's when the fear stops being abstract. That's when it becomes real. To understand why this fear hits Capricorns harder than most signs, you have to understand Saturn, the planet that rules Capricorn, and the planet most associated with time itself. Saturn isn't just about discipline or hard lessons. Saturn is the planet of structure, of long-term consequence, of time as something that has to be earned, brick by brick. Where other signs can move through time and trust that things will work out, Capricorn experiences time as a resource that must be managed, protected, and never wasted. This is why a Capricorn can build for 10 years without complaint and still feel, deep down, that they're somehow behind. Saturn doesn't let you forget the clock. It sits quietly in the back of your mind, keeping count. Every year that passes without the foundation being secure, the career, the home, the family, adds weight to a structure that was never meant to be rushed in the first place. The irony is brutal. Capricorns are often the most patient, hardest working people in any room. And yet that same patience can turn into pressure, because somewhere along the way, you started measuring your worth by how secure your future looks, not by how far you've already come. You don't feel Saturn as a planet. You feel it as a quiet voice that asks, every single year, is it enough yet? And it almost never answers back. Here's the truth about Capricorns that almost never gets said out loud. A Capricorn builds in silence and never shows the urgency they actually feel, while everyone else sees someone calm, composed, reliable, someone who has it together. What's actually happening inside is a quiet, constant pressure, a ticking clock that never gets mentioned at dinner, never gets posted online, never gets admitted to the people closest to you. Why the silence? Because for a Capricorn, showing urgency feels like showing weakness. If you admit you're scared of running out of time, it feels like confessing that you're behind. And Capricorn would rather work twice as hard in silence than let anyone see that fear on their face. So instead of saying, "I'm terrified I won't have built enough by the time I'm old," a Capricorn says nothing. They just work. They take on more. They sacrifice rest, relationships, even joy, all in service of a future they're trying to secure before time runs out. But here's the cost of that silence. Nobody around you knows what you're actually carrying. They see the results, the stability, the achievements, but never the fear that drove them. And that means you carry this entire weight alone, by choice, because you never learned that naming the fear doesn't make you weaker. It makes you human. This next part is personal. And if you're going through it right now, I want you to know you're not failing. You're rebuilding. There comes a point for many Capricorns, often later than they expected, where the life they were building falls apart or simply doesn't materialize the way they planned. No clear job, no clear direction, a future that suddenly looks foggy instead of secured. And when that happens at a point in life where you already feel time pressing on you, it doesn't just feel inconvenient, it feels terrifying. Because the fear was never just, will I succeed? It was, will I have enough time left to fix this? If this is where you are right now, here's what's important to understand. Starting over later doesn't erase the years you've already lived. It doesn't reset the clock to zero. What you've built, the resilience, the skills, the self-knowledge, none of that disappears just because the direction changed. A Capricorn rebuilding in their 30s, 40s, or beyond isn't starting from nothing. They're starting from everything they've already survived. The foundation isn't gone. It's just being poured into a different shape. The fear of running out of time is real, but it's not a verdict. It's a signal, one that's telling you to stop building in silence and start building with intention, even if the path looks unclear right now. Time is not the enemy of a Capricorn. It only feels that way because you've spent so long treating every year as a deadline instead of a foundation. You build slower than most, but what you build lasts longer than most too. The home you're afraid you won't have, it can still be built. The security you're racing toward, it doesn't disappear because you started later than planned. And the silence you've been carrying this fear in, you don't have to carry it alone anymore. If this is you, if you felt this fear and never said it out loud until now, let me know in the comments. You might be surprised how many people in this community feel exactly the same way. This channel exists for exactly that, so this silence doesn't have to be carried alone. If you want to keep having these conversations with me, subscribe. There's more coming.